Girard Park. I've been coming here ever since I was a kid, and it just hit me. Why not come here to look for stories? So I did what I do best. I set up this camera, and I walked. Hey, excuse me, I noticed you chilling over here. I wanted to know, would you be down to tell your story with KATC?
Yeah, bro. Cooling right now, man. Yeah.
For sure?
That's good, bro.
All right.
Get it, man.
Yeah, man.
I do everything, bro. Like, I try R&B, hip hop. I just made a country album like about 2 weeks ago.
Amarion is a musician to his core. I want to know, what were you doing at the park?
Man, you know, just chilling, bro.
Yeah.
Relaxing. It's like a little getaway from it, bro. Just to kind of chill. I actually was listening to a beat when you came, so, you know.
Really?
I'm making like 5-6 songs a day, bro.
Really?
Every day, by myself. Every day. Sometimes I go to the studio, but most of the time I just wake up, bro. I can eat my food, you know what I'm saying? I work out every day, and I just get on it, bro.
Focusing primarily on rap, Amarion tells me his music centers around a theme.
I just try to make the light out of dark situations, bro, because I learned at a young age, bro, it always gets better, you know what I'm saying?
A lesson he tells me he owes to his mother when she lost her job when he was 15, causing them to lose their home.
Yeah, when I really took the music serious once we were homeless, you know, because it was a dark time, bro, and I needed something to keep my head up.
He picked up a part-time job delivering pizzas and continued to pour into his craft.
Like, I was recording music on my break in the car, bro, like, and dropping the songs, like, making them, dropping them.
With each release, he gained a steady following. Now, he reaches thousands.
People would tell me that I made them want to make music just from how different mine is, you know. But like now it should be a time to kind of motivate.
Not only 22, Amarion says he's just getting started.
You just got to keep your head up and just try to smile about something, bro, you know what I'm saying?
And Amarion says he hopes to continue to spread a positive message. And I hope to continue to tell stories. So reach out using the contact information on your screen. And don't forget to scan that QR code to see more people telling their stories. In Lafayette Parish, I'm Joshua Moten with KATC TV3.